Hi friends! Do you love birds? Today we're going to make a super fun and easy bird feeder to help our feathered friends find food in your garden. You only need a few things: a toilet paper roll or a pine cone, some peanut butter or honey, birdseed, and a piece of string. That's it! First, spread the peanut butter or honey all over your toilet roll or pine cone. Sticky, sticky, sticky! Now, roll it around in birdseed until it's nice and covered. Look at that! It's turning into a yummy treat for birds. If you like, you can tie some string to hang it from a tree branch. Or just slide the toilet roll right over a branch. Now it's time to put your bird feeder outside and wait. Soon, little birds will come to have a snack. Can you spot a sparrow? Or maybe a colorful parrot? Wasn't that fun? You've just made your very own bird feeder. Don't forget to check back and see which birds visit. And if you'd like, you can color your favorite bird using our free coloring page. See you next time!